China is actually leading the world in this, and no country has put forward this theory of new productive forces in such a clear scientific way as China is now doing. Traditional heavy industry tends to be highly pollutant. It's actually by focusing on the new productive forces that it will enable a greener economy, and it will therefore improve people's quality of life by improving the environment. It will improve their quality of life by removing arduous and backbreaking labour, and it will improve their quality of life because it will improve their scientific, technical and cultural level, because what you'll be talking about is the creation of a working class that is actually a highly educated, highly scientific, highly cultured working class, which is going to be a new thing in human history.